Oh yeah.
What's up, everybody? Yeah. You want to be in it? In the intro video?
I'm alright.
You sure?
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? My name is Spencer, and this is American Electrician. On today's video, we are putting in 2 new panels and then also upgrading all of the light fixtures and the outlets. So that's what we're going to get into, and we're going to give you guys a little look at that process. If you're new to the channel, welcome. On American Electrician, we do electrical how-tos and gear reviews. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me. So here is the upstairs map. We've got everything labeled out. So along with adding 2 extra panels, we do have to move the circuits that are in the upstairs and the downstairs off of the panel in the original room that it's in the 3rd apartment space. And we've got everything mapped out here basically so that we can make sure we've got all of these circuits and that they get moved to the new panel. And then over here is the downstairs map, and that is where we're starting at. Okay, so yesterday we got all the devices marked out, got all the lights and the different circuits marked out so that we can separate them when it comes time. And today we are looking at these panels here, cutting them in. This is the first one. So first thing we did was mark the studs. Then we got our height marked out. And then now we just really have to cut it out. But there's an access to this wall right here, right behind it, and that's actually where all of their wiring is ran up and over into this, so we'll be able to cut it off in there, run into this panel instead, and we'll be solid.
Battery doesn't sound too good, huh?
Nope. It's good still. It's good still. The vacuum died. Yeah, I'm talking to YouTube. Just went outside to get another battery for the vacuum. It died. Don't want to create a huge mess. They just redid the carpet, so as little cleanup as possible is what we want to do. So we've just about got this one cut in, and we started from the middle and went out to find the stud on both sides, top and bottom then. And now we still have to go up the studs, but we will get there. All right, now we're going to prep this, get these 1/2-inch holes knocked out of the bottom. That's where we'll be feeding our wire through, and get these little tabs knocked out to screw it in. So we've got all of the upstairs ones marked out. We're about to get a new panel schedule wrote out. We've got all the breakers we need in here now, and we're just gonna get it all made up now. All right. Got a new schedule made up with all the numbers that are gonna be replaced. Got the panel cover on, so we don't lose any screws or anything like that. And we are about to head downstairs and get started on that one. All right, now we are in the new space downstairs where this panel is gonna go. We just drilled up through the attic. There's a little drop ceiling here, and our hole is gonna be right over there. And then the panel is gonna go along this wall here, because this is a closet to the right. So we're gonna get this one laid out, get it cut out, get this panel in. Now, we went 8 inches higher up on this one because we don't have as much access to it. So we will cut out 8 inches higher, still marked out where the top of the panel is actually going to be, so we can lay it out correctly. Have you seen Vic's ankle yet? He just sent me a picture.
Broken?
I have no idea. He said it's pretty banged up. Wait. Oh! Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next one.